Welcome to this video, where we delve into understanding the obligations tied to immigration bonds. In today's video, we will cover the introduction to immigration bonds, explore the responsibilities and risks involved, discuss strategies to minimize these risks, and wrap up with a conclusion. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental question. What is an immigration bond obligor? When someone is detained by immigration and customs enforcement, they might be released on a bond. In such cases, a bond obligor steps forward as the guarantor to ensure the detainee appears at their future immigration hearings. Essentially, the obligor assumes the responsibility of ensuring the individual does not abscond. If the detainee fails to show up for the court proceedings, the obligor is on the hook for the entire bond amount. The decision to become an obligor carries several risks and responsibilities. Firstly, financial liability. The most significant risk is financial. If the detained individual fails to appear for their scheduled hearings, you are financially responsible for the entire bond amount. Secondly, there is a legal burden. As an obligor, you might need to provide personal information, including your address and identification. Additionally, you may need to appear in court or answer inquiries from ICE. Thirdly, this choice can strain personal relationships. It might create conflicts, particularly if your relationship with the detained individual is already strained or non-existent. Lastly, the emotional and mental health impact. The stress and uncertainty tied to being an obligor can significantly affect your mental health, presenting a considerable emotional toll due to the responsibility and unknown. It's time for a quick quiz. What is a key responsibility of an immigration bond obligor? Your options are: A. Ensuring the detainee appears in all future immigration proceedings. B. Paying for the detainee's personal expenses. C. Providing legal representation. Or D. Keeping the detainee's passport safe. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section. The correct answer is ensuring the detainee appears in all future immigration proceedings. The key responsibility of an obligor is to ensure the absence of the detainee does not occur, essentially being the guarantor for their appearance at all future immigration proceedings. Now let's move on to how you might avoid unnecessary risks when considering becoming an obligor. There are several measures one should take before making this serious commitment. Prior to taking on the role of an obligor, the following steps should be carefully considered. First, assess the relationship. Weigh your relationship with the detained individual and determine if it has been negative or distant. This is crucial, as the potential for emotional and financial harm might outweigh benefits. Second, explore alternatives. Deliberate whether another family member could take on the role, or if alternative financial supports exist. Third, seek professional advice. Consulting an immigration attorney could provide critical expert advice tailored to your specific situation, ensuring you are well apprised of the obligations and repercussions involved in becoming an obligor. Finally, prioritize your well-being. Guard against undue pressure that might negatively impact your life and relationships. In conclusion, deciding whether or not to become an immigration bond obligor is a deeply personal decision with substantial consequences. It is essential to understand your responsibilities and the associated risks thoroughly. Explore every option available to you, seek professional legal advice tailored to your situation, and importantly, prioritize your own well-being. Thanks for watching this video on understanding immigration bond obligations. If you found the content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below.